Still on how to start your group travel trip. So in case you've not seen our module 1, make sure you watch this video here so that you'll be able to understand the module 2. And in today's video, we'll be talking about the module 2, which is how to plan your group travel trip. And under it, we have how to organize your tour package, how to handle bus arrangements, how to book accommodations, how to handle feeding arrangements, and lastly, how to choose tourist activities per country you visit. So the first one we'll be looking at now is how to organize your tour package. Now, this is just all about things that you'll be including in that package. That is the items that makes it a good package. Let's take for instance, you want to do a visit to Ghana by road trip. So you come up with something like 5-day Ghana road trip experience. This is what you named your package. So in this package, there are going to be items in it that makes it a good package. So your 5-day Ghana road trip experience is going to include number 1, the transportation. Transportation is going to be using a bus. Do you get? The second one you're going to include is accommodation, and in your accommodation you have to be specific. If you're doing 3 days, 5 days, 2 nights, 1 night, you know, all those kind of things you see, right? And the third item you'll be including in your package is the feeding. So for feeding, you have to be very specific in the particular meal that you'll be providing. Will you be providing the breakfast, lunch and dinner, or you're going to be providing breakfast and dinner, or you'll be providing breakfast and lunch? Do you get? So whichever one you're doing should be included and specified in your package. The next item you'll be adding also in your package is the number of activities that you will be engaging in. The activities you include in your package is a very great selling point for you. Another item that you should include in your package is the border assistant. This is that border protocol where security and administrative measures are put in place to identify and authorize individuals that are entering a particular country, that are crossing borders. This includes documents checks, stamping of your passport, biometric scanning, and other types of custom inspection. And it is also advisable that you add a bonus item in your package. This bonus item can be in form of gifts, something like souvenir, you know, anything that will also make your group to be very happy and want to do business with you again. Part 2 is how to handle your bus arrangements. So when doing your bus arrangement, make sure that you partner with a reliable transport company, especially those ones that have been successful in those routes for years. Do you get? Transport companies like Chisco, ABC, African Eagle. Secondly, make sure that the bus you're providing is AC bus. So you don't want to get that type of bus that when people are inside, you start looking for papers and other things to start fanning yourself because you're sweating profusely. Do you get? This is Africa. Almost everywhere is hot. You get? So you need to get a bus that has AC. Also consider the size of your group. You get? So if your group is below 20, you can go for 18-seater bus. But if your group is above 20, maybe you go for those luxury type of buses or the coaster bus. So make sure that the seats of the buses are comfortable, not the type of buses you have here in Lagos, Danfo, Moluwe, that easily tear your clothes. For pricing, you have to decide how you are going to pay for this bus. Are you going to do per trip or per passenger? Make sure that their drivers are skilled in traveling these routes. It is very important because of border issues and other things. So you know that you and your group are in safe hands. No matter what, they know how to navigate their ways when going across borders. So that is how you do your bus arrangement. Then the next one we are going to talk about is how to book accommodation. Currently, we have different types of accommodation when you're traveling outside your home. We have the Airbnb, we have hotels. Find out the one that works best for you. Do you get? Because it's very important that you get an option that is suitable and will be comfortable and also safe for your group. So there are like two ways that you can book accommodation. So you can either use a third-party website like booking.com and co's, do you get, or you use their website directly, that is contacting the hotel or the Airbnb directly. This is how to book your accommodation properly. First thing you have to do is search for the kind of accommodation that is mostly used in that country. Then decide on which type of the accommodation you are going for. Are you going to be using the hotel? Are you going to be doing Airbnb? Or you're going to be using guest in a big guest house? After the search, you conclude that okay, you're going to use hotels. Now you have to shortlist the best hotels they have in that country. Then you compare and contrast the options. So if 5-star hotel is going to give you exactly what you want, then you go for 5-star hotel. If 4-star hotel will give you exactly what you want, you go for 4-star hotel. And if 3-star hotel will give you what you want, you go for 3-star hotel. Do you get? When you've settled with the particular hotel grade, you reach out to the hotel, because this is another place where you also make your money. Send them a message, call them, inform them that you're coming with your group on a travel trip. Ask them if they offer any special discount for group rates, or they give some kind of partnership price. Do you get? The next one is how to handle feeding arrangements. So for feeding arrangements, there are two ways to go about it. The first one is the hotel you're going to stay in. That is, if you're lodging in a hotel, does the accommodation come with free meals or discounted meals? And if yes, which of the meals is the discount on or are free? Do you get? For instance, let's say the accommodation comes with free breakfast. Fine, that means your group will have free breakfast for 3 or 4 days that they will be staying there. Then for lunch and dinner, you need to make use of external option, that is reaching out to restaurants. So you can also get a good deal when you reach out to restaurants and you inform them that you're coming with so group, and they will be in charge of your lunch and dinner for 3, 4, 5 days, depending on the number of days people are going to stay. Even if you want to do buffet, you want to do some other kind of meal style. The last on the list is for you to choose your tourist activity in every country you want to go to. These days, finding a tour guide is not so difficult, especially with the use of social media. With social media, you can find a lot of tour guides in different countries. Book a tour guide in that particular country you're going to. And secondly, those places or those recreational centers or the parks or waterfalls, whichever place, can also call or send them a message, book them before going there. All of these places have their entry fees, and since people are coming in numbers, that means they can give you some kind of special discounts. So guys, that is it all about module 2. Remember, the module 2 is how to plan your group travel trip. So guys, do well to watch the module 1 so you'll be able to understand this module 2. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next module.